Don't settle for second-rate breathing. Nasty toxins and suffocating tar buildup within the lungs, caused by years of inhaling pollutants, smoke, allergens, and other damaging particles is unavoidable, but can be deadly. This is why OmniBreathe founders work tirelessly with top naturopaths and respiratory specialists to create a natural formula that would heal and detoxify the lungs from the inside out. Now you can naturally cleanse your lungs in just 3 days. OmniBreathe thins out excess mucus that gets trapped in your lungs and clogs up your airways, meaning you enjoy deeper breaths that give your whole body more energy. No more constantly clearing your throat or feeling heavy in the lungs. Just smooth, clear breathing all day long. Breathe deeply with OmniBreathe.